my sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. In today's DIYs guys, I'm going to be showing you I make some beautiful wall decor using plaster of Paris deep flowers. If you haven't seen that video, I made that video previously showing you how I make my deep plaster flowers, so you might need to go and watch it if you want to do that tutorial. We will go ahead and jump into that tutorial guys, so I can show you how to proceed with it. So thank you so much for stopping by guys, and if it's your first time here guys, welcome and thank you very much. I love you. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video. I really appreciate that. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and use a few different type of flowers. I'm gonna use some big one, some small one, some leaf, all of them that I made previously in a last video that I posted, I believe. I'll leave the link in the description box below for you guys to go ahead and check it out if you want to make anything that resemble this. You don't have to make the same design, you don't have to have the same flowers. I'm just showing you how to make something, and then you can just use your imagination to make whatever floats your boat basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the little extra stem on my flowers, and then I'm gonna be using just hot glue. I'm gonna glue them to the canvas the way I want them to, and then after we finish gluing them guys, I will be using my texture paste. Again, I made the texture paste myself. If you want to know how to make your own texture paste and not using a lot of money to buy more stuff that you can do yourself, just go ahead and watch that video, and I promise you won't regret watching the video, because the texture paste that I made is very nice. So after I finish gluing my flowers to my canvas, this is what it looked like. I'm gonna go ahead and glue some leaf at the bottom of the flower. Just I'm just making a design guys. It's again, if you want to do the same thing you can, but if you don't want to, you have your own thing that you want to do, you can do the same design or you can do your own design. It's up to you guys. Anything goes when it comes to art. I always say that it's based on yourself. It's very subjective. So after I finish adding my leaf and my flowers, now I'm gonna go ahead and add texture to my canvas. And I'm using the texture the paste that I made myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the paste. Now once you finish adding the paste guys, the small flowers that I'm gonna be adding, I don't need to add hot glue on them, because the paste itself gonna hold them together. So I'll just add some paste at the on the back of the flowers, and add them to the paste that's already on the canvas, and it will make sure your flowers stay on your canvas. It's not gonna go anywhere. Even when you're adding your paste to give texture to your canvas guys, and if you already add flowers to it, make sure you add the paste in a way that's gonna cover both your hot glue, and that's gonna almost like seal the part that of your flower that's touching your canvas. And you seeing me adding, make sure I'm like covering, like basically like filling any little holes that is showing. That way your flower is gonna stay put. It's not gonna move. It's gonna dry really nice, and it's gonna make like almost like it's coming from the canvas. It's gonna be one with your canvas. So I'm showing you right there when I'm doing my little flowers, I don't need to add any hot glue. All you do is just add your paste and put it on your canvas, and it's gonna stay there. It's gonna serve as a glue for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch this part guys. After I finish adding my flowers, I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry overnight, and then I'll come back to show you the result of this part. Okay, guys, now this is the finish for this part. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry overnight, and once it's dry, guys, it's gonna be so beautiful. And when you're making your art, guys, there's, you can add as many texture as you want. As you can see, guys, I even add a little bit of like a dry little piece of twig that I had before. I use, and you can add anything now. Once this is dry, it's so beautiful, just like this. But if you want to have that texture, raw texture looking flower paste, then it's you can leave it like this. But that's not what I was going for, and that's what I was saying, that the result for this part. Basically, at this point you can stop if you want. If you don't want to add anything to it, you can stop. But I wanted to have like really bright flowers on an icy white background, so that's what I'm going for. So if you want to keep watching from this part on, you can see the finished result of what I wanted to add. So I'm doing like bright neon colors, and I'm also will be adding some glitter later on, and I will be doing an icy white melting like snow looking for the background. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my different colors to my flowers. And basically the key when you want to paint your flowers, make sure you add multiple color to it to give it texture, because when you're looking at like a regular flower, it's not just one color. Always have a little bit of different colors in it, make your flower pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some purple, some red, some yellow, some orange on my canvas, on my flowers, and make them really bright and beautiful. I want them to pop out because I want the icy white background to be like super 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 bright when you're looking at it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. Again, guys, this one of the video I'm gonna put out, I'm gonna put another one of the video. I use some flower dip paste, texture paste on them to make my other canvas. In that next video I'm gonna be putting out, guys, make sure that you watch it, because I'm gonna be doing a small giveaway, giving some gift card for Totally Dazzle. So again, guys, I swear by Totally Dazzle. I love 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 their products. They have so many beautiful stuff, and you can just go and buy yourself something to make like a project or anything. And their stuff are super cheap, but very very high quality stuff and beautiful, and they ship really really fast. But the one thing about the giveaway I'm gonna be doing, guys, you have to be in the US or Canada to be able to participate in it, because they only ship to those part of the country, I guess. So you have to be in those specific countries, unfortunately, to have them. But apart from that, guys, I hope you really 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 are staying safe. I hope you are taking time to take care of yourself. Thank you so much for stopping back here, guys. I really appreciate all of you guys, all of the new and old subscribers that always come and watch my video, for all the comments. I really really appreciate, guys, all of your support and help. Thank you so so very much. I love you love you love you so much. And as you can see, guys, to add glitter to my flowers, I just use a little bit of purple glitters, and mix with my Unicorn Crush glass. This I absolutely love this product, guys. I'll leave the link for you in the description box below. I bought it from on Amazon, guys. It's so beautiful. You can use it in basically anything. You can use it in Mod Podge, which is what I'm doing right now, and you can use it in resin, epoxy, whatever, guys. It's so beautiful, and the result when you use that just by itself, it looks like it's melting snow, guys. Seriously, you're gonna be showing it, looking at it. When I tell you, when you see it, it's so beautiful. And that's exactly what I was going for. I wanted the background to be like icy white, like almost like wet looking, and you'll see what I'm talking about once the whole thing is completely dry. So this is the art that I made, the wall decor, you know, my little inspiration I made, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and make sure you watch the other video I'm gonna be putting in the next few days. Again, guys, I really want to give back to you, so I want to give you, you know, that little bit of gift card to go and just, you know, spend it on something else, you know. So guys, and that being said, I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to comment on the video. Give me, you know, a thumbs up or anything, guys. I love interacting with you guys. Thank you so very much for being part of my journey with me. I really appreciate that. And guys, this is the finished result once everything is dry. Look at the background, guys. It's icy white. Like literally look like it's wet, but it's not. This thing, guys, if you are into like doing like resin, like epoxy, and doing like, you need to buy this. You will not regret it, guys. And I bought it a while ago. The jar is pretty big, and you only need a little bit, a tiny little bit, guys. I love the way the background is like so white and so like pure looking. I love this. And again, guys, if you want to just do it, like you can do the whole canvas like white. I actually want to do another one where I'm just gonna do like white, the leave the flower just like this with no color in it, and just put this my little unicorn crush art on it, and it's gonna be like literally like snow flowers. So guys, this is the video for this week. I hope you enjoyed. And again, guys, don't forget to check the next video that's gonna come out to be able to participate in my giveaway. Again, if you need to, you have to go ahead and click on the bell icon to be notified when I put that video out as well. And if you haven't done so, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. I love you so very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you are safe, and you are, you know, you staying safe, and take care of yourself, guys. Seriously, mentally, physically, you know, emotionally. Just take care of yourself. Don't stress yourself out at all. It's not worth it. Okay, guys, so this is my little video for this week. I love you so very much. Thank you so much for stopping back. And guys, I'll see you next week. And as always, stay safe, be safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye. Mwah.